Would you like to visit Elsa's home? LaLiLu Craft is inviting you on a unique house tour at Elsa's icy castle. We'll create incredible interior designs for a place where it's always winter. Draw outlines of blocks of ice on a styrofoam sheet. Add a self-heating mat and remove the extra pieces. Ask your parents to help. Sand the edges. These transitions are so smooth, and it won't hurt to pinch your fingers. Elmer's glue leaves mysterious wavy messages. Spread the glue. Cover it with a picture of an icy cave. Install a corner wall. Add snow piles. It's always icy here. The frost is so bright, it's blinding. The snowstorm made snow piles. Elsa is gonna love her home's new look. Add a layer of glue. There's a whole styrofoam ball snowstorm. Decorate the walls with 3D snowflakes. They also sparkle, giving out magic light. Install styrofoam pieces in the shape of a ladder. There is a wider step on the bottom. Decorate the ladder with glittery foam paper. Don't forget to install the anti-slide strips. Shape vertical stands separately. It looks great! This metallic twisted railing makes the ladder look more elegant. The crystals cover cold blue metal. And there are icicles hanging from the sides. A ladder will become a luxurious decoration for Elsa's throne. Add it to the wall. It looks perfect. The back has sharp corners. Cover it with silver foam paper and a piece of styrofoam separated into icicles. They became ice rays for the throne. Blue is a perfect choice. Tiny sparkles and stars make it look even fancier. Cut a plastic bottle into ice pieces. The corners are sharp. Be careful. Shape them as cones and put them behind the back. The edges are frosty. Let's go up the stairs to the throne. The Queen will be impressed. Shape pieces from plastic bottles like this. Make openings in the middle with a heated metal spoke. Different sizes of layers will look especially impressive. Add each plate to a straw. Make sure it's the right size. Install a stand inside an attachment from beads. Blue is the perfect color here. Add drips of hot glue. The drops hardened on the sides and became icicles. Thin, sparkly tinsel became streams of chilly ice. LaLiLu Craft decided that this is the right place for it. This fountain will look great in the throne room. It sparkles in the winter light, and it looks so beautiful. Plastic bottles separated into parts. The pieces are different shapes. Glue on pieces to a foam paper support. Add pearly streaks and add blue glitter to the top. What's that amazing sculpture? Wow, it's a whole piece! It would look great in a palace. There are asymmetric ice sculptures around the throne. This castle doesn't mind the cold at all. Make foam paper pieces for our next craft. Bend a strip with uneven edges around the base. This is an expensive antique piano that Elsa got from her mom. Add a sparkly zone for keys. There is frost everywhere. Thin silver strips decorate the sides. The keys are ready to play. Decorate the piano lid. It's a little open. What a nice instrument! Wooden skewers turned into 3 legs. Cover them with silver and highlight the bottom part of the piano. We just need to add the support for a lid. There are icicles hanging everywhere. It's like these melodies are frozen in time. The piano is full of snowflakes. When the snowflakes fall, they make beautiful sounds. Cotton pads and wooden skewers. We made a seat out of circles. Decorate it with a glittery strip. Attach ring beads to the bottom. This wintry chair will become a perfect addition to a musical instrument. You can sit up straight and play beautiful songs. Frost, play us a snowy melody. The piano goes in the hall. Now the guests can enjoy Elsa's singing and piano playing. Olaf will be the happiest. I can finally stretch my branches while playing. The inside of the castle is covered with snow. There is so much. It looks like the snowstorm will never stop. You can only see our footprints now. The snowstorm finally ended, and now we can see what else is in here. Our ice carvers worked hard to create an atmosphere for Elsa and Olaf to feel at home. Winter really is the best season. It's getting chilly. Brr. Come inside the castle. Come in, and don't take your shoes off. Icy floor is not good for bare feet. Even socks won't help. Just imagine how exciting this throne room will be when it's full of all your favorite characters from Frozen. This styrofoam heart will come in handy. Let's transform this old dinosaur toy. Glue pieces to the back. Add more styrofoam. Install a head with an open mouth. And keep covering it with styrofoam. The giant is standing on massive paws. Mix light clay. His face looks really intimidating. Give it a monster shape. Oh, an angry mouth and huge paws look so scary. Spray paint it white and highlight marshmallow with blue acrylic paint. Giant Marshmallow lives in an ice castle, guarding it from unwanted guests. He's really huge and scary, but he's only tough on the outside. His heart is full of kindness. Did you enjoy creating a castle for Elsa? If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to LaLiLu Craft and check out more amazing projects. See you next time!